Best free website builder, create a free website. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create your own professional looking website using this amazing free to use website builder. So let's get into it. Now, you can see this website over here that I have created using Wix, and Wix is the platform that we are talking about today. So Wix is an online website creation platform which allows you to create your website without having to pay for domain names, without having to pay for hosting or anything else. So to get started, all you have to do is sign up on Wix. I already have an account on Wix, and to sign up on Wix, all you need is an email address, and you can just sign up by putting in your email address and a password for your Wix account. You can also choose to sign up with Facebook or Google on Wix. Now, to get started with actually creating our website, you're just going to go and click on Create New Site over here, and then we are going to begin our journey to create a simple, free to use, easy and gorgeous looking website. And the best part about Wix is that it creates such professional websites. Now, you have two platforms you can go with, the Editor X or the simple Wix website builder. So what I recommend to most people is that you should just go with the simple Wix website builder, because the Editor X is more so for professionals. If you already have some experience in creating websites, then you can go with the Editor X. Now, after that, you're going to be answering what kind of website you're looking to create. So let's say that we want to create like a fashion brand website, or maybe even an online store for our fashion brand. And I'm just going to click on next over here, and we're going to click on online store. And now you can see I have the online store widget added. And if there are other features like blogs, events, bookings, Instagram feed, any other features, you can select those over here to add to your Wix website as well. After that, you're just going to click on next over here. And now you have two options. You can either choose a template to begin editing, or you can use the Wix ADI. Now, what the Wix ADI basically is that it is the Wix artificial intelligence, which enables you to create a website just by answering a couple of questions, and then they will give you your own customized template, and then you can further customize it according to your personal preference. But there are both of these ways, they're good, but I would recommend that you go with editing a template, because the ADI does not give you that much control, and editing a template really enables you to customize to the max and really create something that you really love. So I'm going to click on edit a template, but if you are looking to save time and effort, then you can definitely just go with the ADI. Now, you can see I have a bunch of different templates that are being recommended to me. If you don't want to go with like a full-fledged template, you can also click on blank templates over here and choose one of these simple layouts to begin your website creation. But we're just going to go into all templates. I'm just going to search for online clothing store, and now you can see there are so many different templates available just for clothing stores and other e-commerce stores. If you search for templates in any category, so you can see these are the categories on the top left over here, and you can see different categories that are available for you to pick out from. Now, let's say we're just going to browse these templates, and you can just pick out any template you want and begin customizing it. So I'm going to go with this template called t-shirt store, and I'm just going to click on edit. You can also click on view to view the template before you actually begin editing it. Now, I'm just going to begin the editing process. So we're just going to wait a couple of seconds for the Wix website editor to load up on our screens. And you can really customize a template to however much you like. You can even, sometimes when you're customizing a template, by the time that you have finished customizing, it doesn't even look like what you started out with. So you can see this is like a very simple and gorgeous looking template. Now, to begin the editing process, first off, I'm going to change the name, and for that, I'm just going to click on the top left text, which is the logo text, and we're just going to double click it. Once I double click it, I'm going to change the name to my own names, or whatever your brand name is, or whatever website name you want. I'm going to name this Kier Tees, like this. And now with your text, you can also just click on edit text, and then you have all of these options. You can add effects, you can change the line and spacing, you have vertical text as well. You also have the SEO and accessibility features, and then you also have the style of the text, so whatever kind of style you want it to be in, like this. So you can just change up the look of your text however you want it. Now, once you do that, you're just going to start customizing all the text. So you can just customize just by clicking over here, and then we're just going to expand this text box, and we're going to decrease the font size. So we're going to select the text and then decrease the font size, and then we're just going to drag it to the center over here, and you can see these purple lines help you denote on where the center really is. And then you can just change this as well. And then after that, you can see you have images. So you can just click on these images and click on manage media over here and then remove these images. So we're just going to click on delete, delete, delete. And then you can click on add media over here and click on image. And then you can add your own images or your own videos as well. I don't have any for my own brand because this is just a sample website. So I'm just going to go into media from Wix and I'm just going to use some of the stock images. So I'm just going to add fruit t-shirt and I'm just going to search for t-shirt. And I'm just going to select a few of these images. So we're just going to click on add to gallery and then you can click on add media, click on image, and then you can even select images from Shutterstock or Unsplash as well. So you have access to quite a few different options. And I'm just going to search for a t-shirt and add this. And then you can add as many images as you want to display over here in this little media block section. So you can see I have these two basic images. Now to move any of these sections, you can just drag and drop it. And to expand or decrease the size, you can see these stretch arrows over here. So you can stretch all of these arrows to increase or decrease the size of any section. So let's say we want to move this up, so we can move this. So we can move it however you like it. So it fits according to whatever you prefer. So we're just going to place it like so. Now below that we have our new drop section and all that. Now this is just the home page. You might be wondering, how do I actually add my product onto my Wix website? Now you can see on your top left over here you have your pages, and this will display all of the pages that are present within the template. And to manage those pages, you can just click on the second button over here called menus and pages, and then you can see all of the pages that are available. So you can add your products not from here but from the Wix dashboard, which I will show you guys at the end of this video. I find it to be a easier method to add all of the product catalog, but you can just switch between pages and customize the look of each individual page, whatever you want to add to the different pages that you have on your website. Now other than that, you also have on your left in your navigation panel you have your add section. So anything you want to add to your website, you're going to be adding from here. Below that you also have your site design, so the overall theme and aesthetic of your site. Then you have your add app, any integrations that you might want to add to your Wix website. You can add calendar bookings, you can add PayPal buttons, social media icons, and any other kind of integration that you might want, you can add via a app integration. And a lot of these amazing integrations are also available for free. Now below that you have a media section, so you can upload all of the media content that you're going to upload onto your website directly once into the media section, so you don't have to upload again and again. And then you also have your start blogging section where you can add a blog, and then you also have your Wix async business tools as well. So once you have finished designing your website, you're just going to click on publish over here. So we're just going to click on publish, and now you can see our site has been published. So if we click on view site over here, now you can see this is what the site is looking like. And you might be wondering, how do I go and add my product? Well, once you have published your site, you're going to go into your Wix homepage. So you're just going to go into your My Sites on Wix. You will see your website has been displayed over here, and then you're just going to click on this little button called select site, and then this will enable you to open up the site dashboard from where you will actually be managing your website. So this is your site dashboard. Now in your dashboard you have your homepage where you can just find, a basic summary of everything. Then you have your store product. So over here you can just click on products, and now you can see these are the sample products that were added, and I can just click on select all and delete all of these sample products, and I can click on new product and start adding different products. Even if they are a digital file or a physical product, I can just add them to my Wix store directly from here without having to work on the editor. So from here I'm just going to add a sample product, neon shirt, and I'm just going to show you guys what it's going to do on my website. So I'm just going to look for this on Shutterstock, neon shirt, like this, Unsplash. So I'm just going to take this image over here, click on add to page, and now this is my product. I'm going to name this orange shirt, and then I can add a description which is going to be soft cotton. And then on your right you have your fulfilled by, so you can add how you're going to fulfill your orders. Then you're going to add your price, and then you can say if it's on sale you can add a discount as well. You can add a percentage discount or a price discount as well. So let's say I want to add like a 10% discount, and I'm just going to increase the price like so. below. And then after that, you can also add your cost of goods to better estimate your profit margins. Now below that, I'm just going to add my inventory and shipping as well. So you can add those as well to make sure that you're not selling any items that are out of stock. And then you're just going to click on save at the bottom right over here. And once you do that, you can see my product has been added. Now, if I refresh my Wix website over here, you will see that the product is going to be added. So you can see that entire section on my homepage just disappeared because obviously it was not a part of the product catalog anymore. So after that, if I go into my actual Wix store, I can go into store products, and now you can see this is my product, and I'm just going to click on promote this product, and then you can promote this product via different methods as well. And then you can click on these three dots and duplicate a product as well onto your website. And now this is what the product is looking like. I'm going to add this in the women's and new drops collection. So these are the two collections, and now I'm going to click on save. And now I'm going to go into my Wix website, click on women. Now you can see my product is now live. I have added that price and the sale price as well. So that is how simple and easy it is to create your own free website using Wix. You can create a simple website or even an e-commerce store. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.